Welcome to the Daily Driver Show. I am completely alone on this hike. We are in Brecksville, Ohio. I'm by myself. There's nobody else with me. I'm just kidding. No, Mrs. Driver's up there. Got two friends with us. So we are on the Buckeye Trail right now. We're going to be heading to the Deer Lick Trail, I think. It's called Deer Lick Trail. Either way, we're going to try to find some caves and stuff around. So stay tuned. We got a lot coming. I do have a survival straw if you do need to take a drink. Well, this is one of the caves right here. We did see a smaller one just a little bit ago. This one's a little bit bigger. Just a little bit. Y'all see that right there? We're gonna go check that out. I gotta see what that is.
It looks like picnic tables.
Like picnic tables?
Yeah, it looks like overlook.
So we're gonna go up through here. This isn't the easiest terrain to go through, but overall it's not too bad. It's very cool in here. It's not warm at all. A lot of moisture in the air. What do you think is in there? We're gonna find out right now. Oh. So we have come down. We were all the way, well, we were all the way up there. You can't tell that it's even up, but it is. That's where we were, and now we're all the way down in here. Literally, right? You just caught in the corner smelling your armpits.
Look at it. It's like plastered on. Look at it. It looks like it's beautiful. The mud and I think it's just an area where stuff is collected. I don't see any like beaver chewings.
I love how you had to whisper the beaver chewings.
Oh, cool. Pick it up.
What? It blends in really well. I'll see if you can find.
drainage pipe.
Oh, boring. Minnows, probably. Taller you get.
All right, I think we're gonna go through. Ooh, you hear the echo? I think we're gonna do it. You going all the way around? So this is the only option?
Are you gonna go climb the fence, babe? Okay.
All right, let's do it. I'm gonna waddle. A little bit of water, but that's all right. I'm gonna waddle my way through here. Very low ceiling. Hands are all wet from the wall. Whew. I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. What the? Oh, that was the hole I just birthed out of. Now, we're gonna climb. We're gonna go all the way up here.
Laying on the road.
Well,
Hell no, you.
I was right under here.
It's closed.
Because that's where the culvert runs through. All the way to the other side. Well, thank you for tuning in. That is going to actually be it. Believe it or not, it is after 7 o'clock. Went all the way around through there. So we're going to head on out. We have a pretty good drive back. And go pick up the kids after that. And as I stated a few minutes ago, I am going to eat so much Wendy's tonight. Whew, I'm ready for it. So thanks for tuning in. Like these videos, subscribe to the channel as well. And as always, have a great day and have a great hike.